Is a 10 room hotel, a 10 room hotel with some other little rooms that are maybe guest rooms like those other rooms they are attached to this hotel. So we are chiseling now. Later on we'll be doing the piping of the half conduit. You can see this high roof, so it's going to be half conduit instead of a full conduit because it has an high roof. Later during the wiring, they're going somebody is going to be inside the ceiling while somebody will be down here wiring the house. You can see now I'm choosing it. So I'm doing this chiseling manually. Originally, if I have the tools now, I'm using my chiseling machine. But since I don't have that now, I'm using manual process.